which you should be able to download below the video. And I might have to just adjust the size of this real fast, but you're going to be able to download this. And I'm going to go through just a few charts for about 2 or 3 minutes. And you can see in the upper left, it has a symbol, has the initial offering date. This one is December 7th, 2007. A lockup expiration, this is the more important date here. That's what you're going to be able to see a lot of future trades. You're actually going to be able to make money whether you join my Done For You program or not, based on what I'm teaching you today and in the video number 3. Not as much money, of course, and you're going to have to do the work, but money nonetheless. Offering price, okay, opening day volume, and then of course the description. So what we're going to do first is look at about 7 or 8 of these symbols that have already had their lockup expiration here in June, okay, and then we're going to look at a few that are coming up here for July. And this is basically going to prove to you what I said in video number 1 in the video yesterday. It's going to prove that prices go down the majority of the time at or before expiration time. Okay? Notice I said majority, nothing's 100%. So you're still going to, you're not going to risk 100% on every trade. We'll talk about risk management later. But the majority of time, the prices go down, folks. Okay? It's only 1 in 1,000 that turns out to be a Microsoft, okay, or a Walmart stock. All right? Maybe 1 in 500, but most of these IPOs don't. That doesn't happen. And so the expiration times, they go down, and I'm going to prove it to you right now on charts. I always show my members the good, the bad, and the ugly, and so you'll see a few that don't go down, which is actually going to be these very first 2. So let's pull up TRIP. There you can see TRIP. Expiration was early June, which is around here, and you can see that it just continued to go sideways. Okay, so there's example number 1. DTZ, this one is going to actually be doing the same thing. So my very first 2 examples, they're continuing to go sideways. Alright, nothing has a 100% win rate. That's okay, we have risk stops in place. But now what you're going to notice is the next 7 or 10 all go down. MEMP, and I encourage you to print out that Excel sheet I'm giving you and pull up your own charts, and you'll see over and over again they're going down. So MEMP is going down. It started to go down beforehand. Up here this date is 4/25, and you can see it's went down more, and that's what happens at or before expiration time. Let's look at RRMS. Also going down. Okay, a little bit more volatile on this one, but still continuing to go down nonetheless. WPX is the next one on the list. Look at that, going down before expiration time, which is early June. Okay, beforehand, remember we get in beforehand. JIVE, another one that's going down. Okay, and it happens over and over and over. GZT is the next one on the Excel sheet. Once again, been going down since May 2nd right here. Next one is SN. Once again, went down beforehand. May 30th, we get in beforehand. BCEI is the next one on the Excel list. Once again, going down over and over and over again. The insiders take chips off the table. Other traders know this, and it happens earlier and earlier. And this one I believe was, LPI was the one I meant to pull up, which expires 6/12. And now we're going to look at some future trades. Nothing I share is investment advice, but there's LPI once again going down. So we'll look at a few future trades. Here it is, REGI. That one expires on 7/17. GWRE 7/23, DBL 7/25, and then you can look at the rest of the Excel sheet, which just goes on and on and on and on. And I'm literally giving you about a year's worth of trades here. Where's the Facebook is in here somewhere. Anyways, I'm giving you a lot of trades of future ones that are expiring that all have filter number 1. Let's go ahead and look at a few of these ones that are expiring here in early July. REGI. See, we're a couple weeks in front of expiration as of the time of shooting this video, and we don't worry that it's already, hit a low point here of $5. These things can go to zero, folks. Okay, they can go down to 1 or 2. Any amount we make money on. So I'm not worried that it already moved down some. More chips will be taken off the table. It's a very high statistical probability, and that's what we do. We just trade the probability, folks. So that one to definitely go down. Here's another one, GWRE. This one will be expiring here mid-July. Today's date 6/22, and it could definitely go all the way down to, down here, $18, where it was before. Okay. And DBL. So we've combined technical analysis with the fact that insiders take chips off the table at expiration. It's a proven fact. It happens over and over again, and we just make money off of that. We just ride off of that, and we have a little bit more technical sides that I'm not going to explain in this video, but I just wanted to show you some patterns. I wanted to give you the cheat sheet number 1 so you can pull up your own list, and I wanted to actually give you a list so you can download those from below the video. Encourage you to do that, and then watch video number 3 when it comes out next week, and then register for my one-time webinar. Thank you.